Hello students, now we have a second concept, that is super profit method. We have formulas for super profit method for calculating goodwill. Now under super profit method, value of goodwill is equals to super profit into my number of purchase year. As I have already told you, number of purchase year always given in question. Now super profit, firstly what is super profit? जब भी आपको अपने नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट में से किसी साल एक्स्ट्रा प्रॉफिट होता है, ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट होता है, आप उसको बोलोगे सुपर प्रॉफिट. मतलब दैट प्रॉफिट विच इज़ मोर देन ए नॉर्मल इज कॉल्ड सुपर प्रॉफिट. नाउ फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग सुपर प्रॉफिट वी हैव different formulas. Now super profit is equals to average profit minus normal profit. Now average profit we have already discussed, total profit upon the number of years. Now what is normal profit? Normal profit is equals to capital employed into में rate upon में 100. Now this will always given in question. Now what is capital employed? जो पैसा आपने अपने बिजनेस में लगाया होता है. The formula for capital employed, the very famous, all assets except goodwill and fictitious assets. आपने सारे एसेट्स को ऐड कर देना है, उसमें गुडविल नहीं लेनी है और फिक्टिशियस एसेट्स नहीं लेने. फिक्टिशियस एसेट्स लाइक डिस्काउंट ऑन इशू ऑफ शेयर्स, प्रीलिमिनरी एक्सपेंसेस, वो एसेट्स जिनकी रियलाइजेबल वैल्यू नहीं होती बट स्टिल वो हमें पैसा कमाने में मदद करते हैं. एंड नॉन ट्रेड इन्वेस्टमेंट, मतलब सारे एसेट में आपने गुडविल को, फिक्टिशियस एसेट्स को, नॉन ट्रेड इन्वेस्टमेंट्स को नहीं लेना और उसमें माइनस कर देना अपने आउटसाइडर लाइबिलिटीज़ को. वी हैव इंटरनल लाइबिलिटी एंड आउटसाइडर लाइबिलिटी. इंटरनल लाइबिलिटी माने शेयर कैपिटल, reference shares, equity shares. Outside liabilities, loan from bank, debentures, etc. Now we have first question under this. A partnership firm earned net profit during the last years as follows. First year 17,000, second year 20,000, third year 23,000. The capital invested in the firm throughout the above mentioned period is 80,000. Having regard to the involved, 15% is considered to be a fair rate of return on capital employed. Calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 2-year purchase of average profit, super profit earned during the above mentioned 3 years. Now we have profit for different years. We have capital invested, which is called capital employed, it is 80,000. We have rate of return 15,000. We have number of purchase year 2. So let's get started. We have first year profit which is 17,000, second year profit which is 20,000, and third year profit which is 23,000. Now the total profit is equals to 60,000. What was the formula? Goodwill is equals to super profit into my number of purchase year. What was the formula of super profit? Super profit is equals to average profit minus normal profit. What was the formula of average profit? Is equals to total profit upon में number of years. What was the total profit? 60,000. And number of years? 1, 2, 3 is equals to 20,000. Now second is normal profit. What was the formula for normal profit? Is equals to capital employed into में R rate upon में 100. Now capital employed is equals to 80,000 and normal rate of return 12%. So 80,000 into 12 upon में 100, which will be sorry, it is 15%. 15%. Now 18,000 into में 15% is equals to 12,000. Now what was the formula for super profit? Is equals to average profit minus normal profit. What was your average profit? It is 20,000. And what is your normal profit? Is equals to 12,000. What will the resultant? 8,000. Now what was the formula of goodwill? Goodwill is equals to super profit into number of purchase year. Super profit is equals to 8,000 and number of purchase is equals to 2. So goodwill is equals to 16,000. This is your 11th question. Question number 12, 13 and 14th you have to solve on your own. Now we have question number 15. X and Y have capital of rupees 1 lakh and 60,000. The reserves are 15,000 and creditors are 10,000. Normal rate of return expected in this type of business is 10%. Goodwill is valued at 50,000 at 2-year purchase. Now, number of purchase here 2 of super profit. Find out average profit. What you have to calculate is average profit, not goodwill. Goodwill is already given, it is 50,000. We have to find out average profit. Now, what is the formula for goodwill? Goodwill is equals to super profit into number of purchase here. Now, goodwill as already given in question is equals to 50,000. We do not have super profit, but we have number of purchase here, which is 2. Now we're calculating super profit. इस 2 को यहाँ पे लेके 50,000 divided by 2 is equals to 25,000. Super profit is equals to 25,000. What we need to calculate in this question is equals to average profit. We do not have average. We do not have average profit. Now, what was the formula of super profit? Super profit is equals to average profit minus normal profit. अब ये हमारे पास है, ये हमारे पास नहीं है, हमें कैलकुलेट करना है. हमारे पास ये भी नहीं है, बट इसको कैलकुलेट करने के लिए जो चीज़ें चाहिए, इसको कैलकुलेट करने के लिए चाहिए क्या चाहिए? नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल्स टू कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड इनटू में आर अपॉन में 100. इसको कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हमारे पास चीज़ें हैं. लाइक फॉर कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड यू नीड टू ऐड कैपिटल ऑफ ए, कैपिटल ऑफ बी एंड reserves. Capital of A is equals to 1 lakh. Capital of B is equals to 60,000. Capital of C is equals to, sorry, this reserve is equals to 50,000. Total is 1 lakh 60, 2 lakh 10,000. This is liability side approach of calculating capital employed. Now, normal profit is equals to capital employed is 2 lakh 10,000. Normal rate of return given in question is 10% is equals to 21,000. Now, मैंने आपको क्या बोला था? एवरेज प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट करने के लिए अगर आपको ये चीज़ और ये चीज़ मिल जाए, आपका एवरेज प्रॉफिट आ जाएगा. अब सुपर प्रॉफिट आपके पास है कितना? 25,000 इज इक्वल्स टू एवरेज प्रॉफिट आपके पास नहीं है, वो आपने कैलकुलेट करना है, माइनस नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट आपने अभी निकाला 21,000. मैथमेटिकली अगर आप इसको इस साइड ले जाओगे तो 25,000 ये प्लस का 21,000 हो जाएगा और इज इक्वल्स टू कितना आ जाएगा? 46,000. सो एवरेज प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल्स टू 46,000. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 we have to do on your own. It's a little difficult, but it will help you in better practice. So with this you are done with your calculation of super profit method for goodwill.